Hello traders, Sham here. Welcome to AlgoStreets Market Analysis, where we decode markets using systematic rule-based approach. Let me explain what happened today and what to expect tomorrow.
Zero trades on Nifty today. Zero mistakes made. If your rules made you not to take a trade, that's the biggest success in your systematic trading. Because sometimes the best trade is no trade. If you see yesterday's close was between S1 and R1, it suggests us it's a neutral close. And we have discussed yesterday any big move below S1, S2 because the S1, S2 are overlapped, then we might get a good trading down move. But we need to wait for algorithm to show us the entry. We should not jump onto the trade immediately by seeing the one candle. This is a 15-minute candle. If you see the next candle, it immediately reversed. So we need to have systematic rules when to take the trade. That's what this indicator does, and it will give us where exactly to enter the trade. Let me do a bar replay of this. So it has opened below our S1. It's a clear, very bearish open, but we will wait for proper confirmation. Yeah, it has reversed back. Immediately sellers become active. You can clearly see here there is no buy setup, there is no sell setup. So our as a trader, as a systematic trader, we need to wait patiently and see when we for a proper buy setup and sell setup. But you can clearly see once after opening below S1, once it recaptured this S1 and S2, then it whole day it stayed in the range between S1 and R1, where we didn't have any trade. That's really nice because in this choppy day we might have lose heavily. If you don't find any trade, I can show you a trade in Sensex. So we can go on to Sensex because in Bank Nifty I didn't find any trade. So I will show you how the Sensex trade and how what things that we need to take care. This is the first candle that opened very bearish, similar to Nifty, and it has recaptured there. You can see there is no buy setup and sell setup. No setup till yet. We are still patiently waiting for the setup to move. Yeah, we got a buy setup. You can clearly see it here. Buy setup. Entry mentioned, stop loss mentioned, a minimum target is mentioned 1 is to 1. If there is no 1 is to 1 target visible, then this trade won't be coming here. So risk is 164 points. You should always check your risk whether you are capable of taking this risk or not. And stop loss clearly mentioned as 83,772. 83,772. This one. This is your stop loss. Let's see how it panned out. It's almost took away our stop loss. Almost, but not. So yeah, this is the trade. This is how you need to take your trades. Let me move on to how we can plan tomorrow. See, TR2, TR1, TS1, TS2. These are the tomorrow's ranges, which will be visible after market open. So today's close was very bullish. It has closed above R1. So the most probable case for tomorrow, if we get a continuation, a open above R1 and our algo suggests any buy signal, that will be our most probable trade for tomorrow. The first resistance is 803, which is very near to it. But if we get a proper entry, it will be around here, then we might look for 1 is to 1 trade. If you open, even though if you open above R1 and if you get a sell position here, then we might look for sell opportunities from R1 to S1. Most probably, if it trades within the range between R1 and S1 even tomorrow, we might see the extremes of R1 and S1 multiple times until unless it breaks one R1 or S1 solidly. Now I am also planning to show you two important watch list stocks that were in our watch list. So one is SBI Life. This is a 1 hour chart and it's on swing trade. It's a swing trade. We got a clear buy. You can see these buy values and sell values. Buy entry in this range. This is aggressive entry. This is safe entry. This is aggressive entry. And you have a stop loss mentioned here. And currently this position is running at 0.41%. Position is active. So if you are interested, you can look SBI Life for a long opportunity. Similarly, we have Zydus Life. It is a positional pick and entry at 978 to 980. Stop loss is at 916. So you have 1.83% probability. So these are supply zones and these are the demand zones. So now we got an entry at demand zone. So we're expecting it to reach to supply zone. In SBI Life, if you see this position is already running, it doesn't have any upside target because it doesn't see any resistance here. So it doesn't mention in what's the probability of percentage that we might get. Hope this video is helpful. See you in next video. Thank you.
This is how systematic trading works. No emotions, just rule based decisions. Follow these levels, manage risk, and let the system work.